What's up, everybody? It's your boy Blamspot back with another banger. You've seen me in the past expose multiple YouTubers. Today I'm exposing Raycon. Basically, the bankroll for every single YouTuber in existence. I'm not gonna lie, even though I did expose you, please hit me up give me a call, maybe give me some hush money or sponsor a video. And yeah, let's get into the review. Kind of a review, mostly exposing Raycon, allegedly, basically a drop shipper of Alibaba headphones, potentially. Mediocre sound quality, rips off Beats frequency profile. I showed direct evidence of this. Basically, just mediocre everything. Even the company admits the shell looks like the same as a thing on Alibaba. Told what Jimmy Tries World to take down his video, and he did. Maybe some hush money going on there. Again, Raycon, hit me up. If you pay me enough, I might delete this video. Not gonna lie, kind of broke at the moment. So let's get right on into this. So I was looking at, what is this, Raycon's product page on Amazon.com. And I was looking down at these celebrity endorsements, celebrity sightings, and I was like, let's take a look here. Huh, Ray J. Oh yeah, he's famous. Oh, wait a second, he's literally the owner of the company. I started Raycon. Ray J. Oh wow, cool. The person who owns the company is endorsing the product. No dip. Okay, let's keep looking down. Snoop Dogg. Okay. Cool. First cousin of rapper Snoop Dogg. Okay, so now his cousin's endorsing the product. Wow. What a great review. You know what? I'm going to start a headphone company, and I'm going to call my mom, and she's going to review the product for me. You know? Okay. Oh wait, it gets even better. Brandy. First off, okay. Platinum artist. Cool. I wonder. Endorsing the product. Cool. He is the younger brother of recording actress and actress Brandy Nor. Oh, wait. Now his sister is endorsing the product. That's him. That's his cousin. That's his sister. Wait. Princess Love. Huh. Princess Love files request to dismiss divorce from husband. That's his wife. What? So he's endorsing his product, his cousin's endorsing his product, his sister's endorsing his product, and wait, his wife's endorsing his product. And honestly, the rest, I mean, Soulja Boy, he's already known for selling scam products. Let's be real. Like, he rebranded Alibaba stuff all the time. And J.R. Smith, whatever, he's barely in the NBA at this point. But with the Lakers, he could be doing something good this year. So yeah, so start a company and have your brothers and sisters endorse the product. Alright, here I have a video pulled up of Jimmy Tries World, okay? This guy reviews technology, and as far as I can tell, he's not sponsored. Besides, he puts some affiliate links. So let's take a look at his first comment. He's talking about the sound quality. Here, let me turn on my desktop audio.
Really heavy on the bass. There's I like bass. Then there's
I like bass.
the bass is overpowering on these earbuds, and it drowns out the mids and the highs. It makes it a bit harder to hear some details in music
So it looks like it's kind of like mediocre headphones,
because
right?
it's covered in bass. So
Covered in bass.
Great.
They're kind of like Beats,
Get
I guess.
music
You know how
from a
Beats were
bass head,
scammed
right?
back in the day.
Yes, but also keep in mind that the bass can sometimes get muddy sounding because it's just so loud compared to everything else.
Okay.
And because it's more noticeable. Turning down the bass a little bit in EQ settings make them sound more balanced, and they sound significantly.
Okay, so it just looks like an EQ
Sadly,
profile,
they
okay.
don't have their own app to change EQ settings, so
But they only have their own app, okay? Okay, so here he does highlight their return policy, which is pretty good. It said like what, 45 days, no strings attached, 1-year warranty. That's pretty good for earphones. I'm not gonna complain there. This right here is pretty juicy. Okay. So this is what I thought before he had a video like really exposing Raycon, but it looks like he took it down. Okay, he wasn't paid off. I'm gonna be skeptical on that one. But the thing is, he was saying that you could buy the same on Alibaba, which would be kind of condemning there if you could buy the same. But wait a second. Oh, the products share a similar outer shell and nothing more. Okay. Okay. Oh, he even replied to this? Let's take a look. So this hasn't been proved yet. So, I don't know. I can't find the links to this, but if anybody has the links to the Alibaba listings, please put them in the comments below. Oh, Blitzwolf. Let's take a look. Blitzwolf. Okay, and let's take a look at Raycon. And no, that's similar. I don't know what he's talking about there. Huh. Yeah, I'm kind of skeptical. I want to see a follow-up on this. Okay, so maybe they're just rebranding Alibaba stuff. And from the looks of who's backing them, I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, let's take a look at this guy's sound quality review. Check him out, artings.com.
Is that these earbuds deliver more powerful sound than any other earbuds of this size. And if they're talking about pure bass, then they might be right, as these headphones are very bass heavy.
Very bassy, kind of like a Beats ripoff.
But before discussing their sound in more detail, let's listen to a recording we've made with these headphones so you can get an idea about their performance by yourself. Just keep in mind that this is a relative comparison and not an absolute one, so you won't be able to judge their actual sound profile. And if you do get these headphones yourself and listen to the same track that we've used here, you most likely won't hear the same thing.
Be fire. Oh wow, that's really bassy. Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Like I said earlier, these headphones are very bass heavy.
Yeah, let's take a look at this graph here. Bass and a little bit of the treble.
Their entire bass range is very overemphasized, giving them a ton of.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. Beats 3 response. Oh, looks similar. Interesting. Looks like it cuts off about here, though. Interesting frequency profile here. Interesting. Kind of ripped off Beats, not gonna lie. Maybe this is industry standard. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, but looks pretty sus to me.
Thump. While this will likely please fans of EDM or hip-hop, their pushback instruments and vocals may not be the best choice for rock or pop, or especially.
Okay, I mean, this kind of makes sense. He is an R&B guy. Snoop Dogg's endorsing him, so I guess.
Especially for podcasts or audiobooks. Instruments will often be overpowered by the bass, while vocals are slightly distant and noticeably lacking in detail. There's an overemphasis in the high treble range as well, which may make some sibilants come across as piercing and sharp, though it's at a high enough frequency that it may not be noticeable to everyone. Like most in-ears, the frequency
Alright, this isn't as great of a point, but I mean, the microphone's mediocre. Listen to this guy.
The E25 have an integrated microphone in the earbuds. The microphone quality is mediocre, and while your voice won't sound full, it should be quite clear and easy to understand.
Let's take a look at this guy's sample.
This recording was made with the microphone of the headphones, while placed on our dummy head, with my voice being played through the dummy head's mouth. This is a ratings.com microphone test. This recording was made with a microphone of the headphones, while placed on our dummy head, with my voice.
This is quite the interesting review. So yeah, whatever, mediocre wireless performance, nothing big. Well, that's all for exposing this company. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you have any other things I can expose about this company, I'll make a follow-up video. And please drop a like, comment, subscribe. That'd be nice. And I'll catch you all in the next video. And yeah. And if anybody ever tears down a pair of Raycons, or if you see an article tearing them down, let me know so we can confirm if they really are Alibaba ripoffs. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this ride out and click on one of the links somewhere in the video to see one of my other ones. And yeah, just give us a few little seconds, you know, to go like for my amazing dance moves. Gotta get to 10 minutes.